everybody, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you are looking at a beautiful 2023 Ram 2500 Laramie. With just over 30,000 miles, this Laramie features a 6.7 liter diesel and does have a clean Carfax with one previous owner. Starting in the front of this truck, you can see the nice chrome billet style grille here, high intensity headlights with fog lights integrated right into that lower bumper, and you have your recovery hooks in front as well. Taking a quick look at the wheel and tire setup, you can see you have that factory 18-inch polished aluminum wheel wrapped up in a like new Firestone, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. Exterior features on this Ram are going to include the tow mirrors, which are power folding, and you do have LED lighting. And on the back side, you can see it is equipped with blind spot monitoring, and you also have passive door entry. With the Laramie trim, you'll get nice elements like leather, stitching, wood grain, and brushed aluminum. And as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of the vehicle. And you can also see you have these Laramie leather upholstered seats, very comfortable, and you will have power on both passenger and driver side. Located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you can find a multi-point inspection sheet. As you can see, all the tires and brakes are good to go. Everything is green, ready to go for the next buyer. Not only do we take care of our wearables here at All Things Automotive, you'll get a fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, and a fresh PA state inspection. Keeping in mind this truck is a crew cab, let's go ahead and check out the space. As you can see, plenty of space back here. And as you can see, you will have cup holders, flow-through center console. And as far as power is concerned, you have micro USB, USB, and a 115 and a flow-through center console. One of my favorite features of these particular Rams are what's underneath this seat. So let me go ahead and demonstrate that. So as you can see, the top left corner, underneath the seat, you will have this flat platform, which is great for camping or even pets, with two cup holders right in the middle. Makes it very convenient for extra activities when you're camping or hunting or just out on the road. And under these all-weather floor mats, you will find two Ram boxes on either side. A lot of people use these for storage, maybe even a cooler if you're camping or hunting. So this is the perfect addition here. This just comes out for easy cleanup, as you can see. Coming around to the 6.5-foot bed, you will notice you do have a spray-in bedliner, a rear camera, and a nice LED light. And you're set up to tow with your hitch and 4 and 7-pin wiring. And that bedliner is in very good shape, and you will also notice you have a 115 back here as well. Making our way to the driver's side door, you will notice a lot of power options, including lock, unlock, some safety features, window, your mirror adjustments and folding, and some other mirror adjustments that I'll go over here. And you do have memory seating here on the driver profile, and you have two profiles actually, so you can customize to your own settings. And if we look over here, you do have adjustable foot pedals, lamp selector, and brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster. Some other great features on these tow mirrors are front and rear LED lighting, which you can control right here to the left here. And then you also have a power telescoping option, and then you can actually control that convex mirror right on the bottom. Here at All Things Automotive, you will receive two keys for your added convenience. As you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, tailgate release, and remote start. This 2500 Ram is also equipped with push button start, so we'll go ahead and do just that. Let's take a look at the mileage here, just over 30,000 miles. And as far as steering wheel mounted controls, you will have your selector for your center cluster, and you can display all kinds of information there as well. And then further down, as you can see, you have your Bluetooth buttons, and you can pair your phone via Bluetooth. To the right of the steering wheel, you will also have your cruise control settings and your gear selector. Bringing our attention to the infotainment center, here you can see you have a very nice oversized touchscreen display. It does have a beautiful backup camera here as well. Go ahead and demonstrate that. Very crisp and clear display. You do have some climate options here, and as you can see, it is equipped with heated front seats and vented seats as well in the front, and you do have a heated wheel as well. This infotainment center is also equipped with onboard navigation, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Further down, you will have your integrated trailer brake control with your gain controls, exhaust brake, tow haul, and then you have your proximity sensors, which you can turn on and off. And to the left, as you can see, you have your four-wheel drive selector and your neutral tow. Down below, you can see this truck is well equipped with charging options as far as micro USB, USB, a 115, and also an auxiliary for audio as well. In the front here, you can see we have a bench seat, 40-20-40 split. That'll fold up. And you even have some nice storage down below as well. But if you don't want that, you want your nice armrest, you have 3 cup holders and then some more storage up top as well with a 12 volt. Making our way up to the auto dimming rear view mirror, you do have some controls right here. You have another tailgate release, and you have your options for your rear sliding glass and your bright LED map lights as well. Under the hood, you'll find a very clean 6.7 liter diesel engine. As you can see, no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything of that nature. And as always, our crew does a phenomenal job of making these ready for the next buyer. Some other great features include rain-sensitive windshield wipers, Alpine brand premium sound system, automatic adjust and reverse exterior mirrors, and this vehicle is also equipped with cross-path detection. In this last portion of the video, this is where I'm going to go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this vehicle. This is a pre-owned vehicle, keep in mind, none are perfect. We like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting up front here, you will see some stone chips here from the road. That chrome billet style grille is in good shape, but you can see some wear and tear down here from the road, some paint chips on that front bumper as well. Coming around to the wheel and tire setup, like new tires all the way around, no curb rash on those wheels, pretty good shape. Coming up the driver's side here, you will see some blemishes and some minor blemishes here on that chrome exterior mirror. And here on the driver door as well. And right here. And here as well. Some spots. The truck's not perfect, but it is fairly clean, as you can see. Nice spray-in bedliner though. Minimal scarring up top on the bed rails. Coming around to the lift gate here, you will notice some touch-up spots here and down below. I also did notice some touch-up spots on the rear bumper. And to the left here, you can see a nice scuff. And here as well. And that one looks pretty good. Coming up the driver's side, as you can see all the way up to the roof. No dents or dings or anything that I did see. Interior is very clean. I didn't see anything going on with the interior. Again, nice leather bolstered seats. Headliner's clear of any rips or stains. Definitely no odor, so no smoking. Other than that, very good shape here. If you have any questions, give us a call here at All Things Automotive. You can call us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales or go to allthingsautomotive.com. Shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved. So make sure you ask your sales consultants about extended coverage. So in recap, guys, we took a look at a 2023 Ram 2500 Laramie, okay, 6.7 liter diesel, obviously 4-wheel drive. I don't think I mentioned that, but it goes without saying, but you just never know these days. So if you have any questions, give us a call here. Again, my name's Trent. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.